Hey guys, Jane from janemusicstudio.com. Welcome. Today I want to talk about breathing exercises. So there are 4 breathing exercises that I want to share with you because these are very effective. You can do them anywhere, anytime, when you're driving, when you are in the shower, when you're cooking. It's very effective, and it's a good substitute in case you are in a public place and you can't really warm up out loud. So make sure you do these exercises. You're going to strengthen your vocal cord muscles, abdominal muscles. So remember, whenever you do these exercises, you engage your whole entire body, which means posture, which means you need to relax your shoulders and you need to stretch beforehand. Okay, so let's get to it. Number 1, I want you to place your hand on your chest and one on your stomach, and I want you to take a deep breath and out. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so I want you to recognize if your chest is the one that's going up and down as you breathe in and breathing out, or is it your stomach that's expanding outward and inward. Let's try it again one more time. Okay, if you find that your chest is the one that's going up and down, I want you to stand in front of a mirror and I want you to do the same thing. Place both hands on your stomach this time, and I want you to push out those hands outward with your stomach as you are inhaling. Okay, so let's try it again. And then exhale. Your stomach should deflate. Inhale, exhale. So this is the correct way of breathing. Make sure you do this for all of the exercises, okay? So number 1, we are going to take a deep breath, and then we're going to hold it for 4 counts, and then we're going to release with an S. I'm going to give you an example. Inhale, hold, 2, 3, 4, Very good. So you can hold it as long as you can. The goal here is for you to be able to hold it longer and longer and longer each day, okay? So let's try it again one more time. Inhale, hold, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, so if you can hold it longer, you can just pause this video and then resume whenever you want, okay? So when you are doing this exercise, make sure that your first release of that S, make sure you are controlling your breath so that there's not a lot of air that's being wasted. I'm going to give you an example of what not to do. Hold, 2, 3, 4. So that's not the correct way of doing it. Make sure you control the breath so that the first that you are releasing is the same amount of air that you're going to hold for the rest of the breath, okay? So let's do it again one last time. Take a deep breath. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, make sure you time it each time you do it from day 1 to day 7. Do it twice a day, and I will guarantee that you will feel so much better. Your singing is going to feel better. Your throat is going to feel better. All right, number 2, instead of S, I want you to release on a shush, S-H-H, if you will. So take a deep breath. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, so it's gonna get harder and harder because there's gonna be more air that is needed to be let out. So let's try it again. Make sure you control your breath on the first go round, okay? So take a deep breath. 2, 3, 4. Very good. Again, if you can hold it longer, just pause this video. All right, number 3, I want you to do the same thing. Inhale, hold 4 counts, and then you're going to find a pitch that you are comfortable with, so not too high, not too low. And I want you to release it on a Z with a note, any note that you feel comfortable singing, okay? So take a deep breath. 2, 3, 4. So when you're doing these exercises, make sure you really listen to your body. A lot of my students get dizzy in their first time trying this breathing exercises, but I want you to know that that's okay and it's normal because your body's not used to having that much oxygen going in and out and in and out of your body. So give your body time to adjust. Listen to your body is the number one important thing here, and make sure if you do feel dizzy, take a 5-minute break, breathe normally, and then try it again. And if you still feel a little bit dizzy, take a 10-minute break and then do it again. Okay, so make sure you are well hydrated, make sure you are well rested, and then do this twice a day or throughout the day, and make sure you always time it. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is the straw method. I'm sure you guys have heard of this. This is really, really effective. This is mainly used for vocal therapy, to help you strengthen your vocal folds. So we're going to take a deep breath. No holding. Take a deep breath. So I'm just pushing the same amount of air coming out until I have no breath left, okay? Take a deep breath again and do it again. So it's basically like the Z's, but instead of a Z, you are using a straw. Make sure you use a very comfortable pitch, not too high and not too low. So let's try it one more time. Take a deep breath. If you are more advanced and you want more challenge, you can stick this in a glass of water and do the same exact exercise. If you don't have a straw, you can also use this method where you pronounce the word woo, okay? Woo. Woo. Make sure you feel the buzz around your lips. So sometimes I like to tell my students to place a finger in front of your lips and just go woo. It's the same exact concept. Make sure you hear that buzz though. If you are not hearing the buzz, you are not doing it correctly. So woo, there's a straw, there's an S, a shush, and a Z. You get 5 breathing exercises today, and make sure you guys practice them. Since you guys are introducing so much to your body, make sure give your body time to adjust, be patient, and if you guys have any questions or comments, please type it below. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and go to my website janemusicstudio.com and sign up for your free vocal lesson today.